Welcome back to this channel and welcome to another thoughtful and inspiring discussion on learning, creativity, and growth. Today, we are going to learn about something that looks simple on the surface but carries deep value from childhood to adulthood: learning and making arts and crafts at school. Many people think arts and crafts are only about cutting paper, coloring pictures, or making decorations for the classroom wall. But in reality, arts and crafts are powerful tools for learning, thinking, feeling, and growing. From tiny little actions like holding a crayon to complex projects that involve planning, teamwork, and creativity, arts and crafts shape students in ways no textbook alone can do. In this long and detailed discussion, we will slowly move from the smallest benefits to the most complex and life changing ones so that teachers, parents, and students can truly understand why arts and crafts are essential in schools. First thing, building fine motor skills from the very beginning. When children first enter school, their hands are still learning how to work properly. Simple arts and crafts activities like drawing lines, coloring inside shapes, and tearing paper, pasting, folding, and molding clay helps children develop fine motor skills. These small movements may look tiny, but they are very important. Holding a pencil correctly, controlling hand pressure, cutting with scissors, or applying glue neatly are all skills needed for writing, drawing diagrams, and even daily life activities. Arts and crafts allow children to practice these skills naturally and joyfully, without pressure. Instead of focusing handwriting practice, a child improves hand control while enjoying art. And the second thing is improving hand eye coordination. When a student draws what they see, cuts along a line, or pastes shapes in the correct place, the eyes and the hands work together. The hand eye coordination becomes stronger through regular arts and crafts activities. Good coordination helps students not only in writing and drawing but also in sports, science experiments, computer use, and even daily tasks like tying shoes or opening buttons. Arts and crafts quietly train the brain and body to work in harmony. And the third point, encouraging focus and attention. In today's fast digital world, many children struggle to sit calmly and focus on one task. Arts and crafts naturally improve concentration and attention span. When students are coloring, painting, or building something, they stay focused for longer periods without feeling bored. They want to finish their work well, so their mind stays engaged. Over time, this habit of focusing transfers to other subjects like reading, mathematics, and science. And let me tell you the fourth point, boosting creativity and imagination. This is my favorite. Arts and crafts give students freedom. Freedom to imagine, freedom to choose colors, to design shapes, and to create something new. There is no single right answer in art. This open ended nature boosts creativity and imagination, helping students think beyond rules and patterns. A child learns that ideas can be expressed in many ways. Creative thinking is not only useful for arts, it is essential for problem solving, innovation, leadership, and future careers. And the fifth point is developing emotional expression. Many children find it hard to express their feelings using words. Arts and crafts give them a safe and gentle way to express emotions like happiness, fear, anger, excitement, or sadness. Through colors, shapes, and designs, students release feelings that they may not fully understand yet. This helps improve emotional health and reduce stress. Teachers can also understand students better by observing their artwork. And the sixth point is building confidence and self esteem. Completing an art or craft project gives students a strong sense of achievement. When their work is displayed on classroom walls or appreciated by teachers and parents, students feel proud. This builds confidence and self esteem, especially for students who may struggle in academic subjects. Arts and crafts show them that they are capable and talented in their own way. Confidence gained through art often reflects in better classroom participation and social interaction. Coming to the seventh point, teaching patience and discipline. Not every craft is quick or easy. Some projects take time, planning, and repeated effort. Students learn that good results require patience and discipline. If a mistake happens, they learn to correct it or start again. This teaches perseverance and the value of effort, lessons that are essential for life. And coming to the eighth point, improving problem solving skills. Arts and crafts often involve challenges. How do I make this stand? Which material is stronger? What happens if colors mix? Students learn to think, try, fail, and try again. This strengthens problem solving and critical thinking skills in a particular and enjoyable way. Coming to the ninth point, encouraging independent thinking. While teachers guide students, art allows personal decisions. Students choose colors, shapes, materials, and designs. This builds independent thinking. They learn to trust their ideas and make choices confidently. And the 10th point is enhancing communication skills. When students explain their artwork or work together on group projects, they improve verbal and non-verbal communication. They learn to describe ideas, listen to others, and respect different opinions. What they learn next is supporting inclusive education. This is 11th point. Arts and crafts are inclusive by nature. Students of different abilities, learning levels, and backgrounds can participate equally. Children with learning difficulties often perform well in creative activities, helping them feel included and valued. Next thing they learn is strengthening social skills and teamwork. Group art projects teach students to share materials, cooperate, and work as a team. They learn patience, respect, and collaboration. These social skills are essential for school life and future workplaces. And coming to the 13th point, connecting learning with real life. Crafts often use everyday materials: paper, cloth, cardboard, clay, waste items, and more. Students learn that learning is connected to real life, not limited to books. This develops practical intelligence and environmental awareness, especially through recycling crafts. And the next point is preparing students for the future. In the modern world, creativity, adaptability, and emotional intelligence are as important as academic knowledge. Arts and crafts help build these future ready skills. Careers in design, architecture, engineering, media, education, and technology all value creative thinking. And next we see nurturing mental well being. Art has a calming effect. It reduces stress, anxiety, and pressure. For students facing academic or social stress, arts and crafts provide balance and peace. Students learn to appreciate beauty, balance, and design. This enriches their personality and cultural understanding. And do you know, many adults who enjoy painting, crafting, or dye hobbies discover their interest during school art classes. Arts and crafts plant seeds for lifelong hobbies here. And then, art classes create a relaxed environment where teachers and students interact freely. This builds trust and positive relationships. Most importantly, arts and crafts bring joy into the learning process. Happy students learn better, grow stronger, and remember lessons longer. From tiny hand movements to complex life skills, arts and crafts play a powerful role in school education. They shape not just students' hands but their minds, hearts, and character. When schools value arts and crafts, they are not just teaching children how to create, they are teaching them how to think, feel, express, and live better. Thank you for being part of this channel and this learning journey. If you believe in meaningful education, keep supporting creativity, keep encouraging art, and keep learning together. Have a good day.